Hi everyone, we're going to be doing some really good muffins today. I'm doing ones that are one of my favorites. It's called smashed date and coconut muffins. So if you stay with me, we'll go to the kitchen and we'll get these done. Before we get started, and those that don't already know, I have a couple of recipe books available on Amazon. These recipes that are in the book have a matching video on my channel, and there's a barcode that's provided in the books so that you can scan and go directly to the channel for that. If you'd like to purchase either of these recipe books, I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. Without any further ado, let's get right back to today's featured video. I am lining my muffin tins with vinyl muffin liners. It makes it easier for removal. Now let's start with 1 cup of chopped and pitted dates. Measure out 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Add your 1 cup of pitted and chopped dates into a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of boiling hot water to those dates. Then you'll add your baking soda to those dates, so it's 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda here. I like to speed this up a little bit, so I'll put it into a small saucepan, place the heat on high, give it a little stir and boil it, and then I mash it a little bit, and we'll continue with this until it forms a nice thick yet soft paste. And set that aside until you're ready to use it. So let's start putting this together. Add half a cup of softened butter to a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of white sugar. Now then we can add 2 large eggs. I'll mix it together to combine the butter, sugar, and eggs. Okay, so next we'll look at adding 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I will add about a cup plus about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Add a little extra flavor and texture. We'll add half a cup of sweetened shredded coconut. Now we're ready to add the paste that we made from the dates. This adds a whole lot of flavor, and it also helps to keep your muffins moist. While making sure that you don't overmix, because you shouldn't overmix muffins. Just mix it until it's well combined, and that's just about enough right there. Especially when you're using a mixer, it's easy to get carried away. So I stop and remove the paddle attachment and go ahead and just use a spoon to make sure it is mixed up good and start pouring it into the prepared muffin tin. This recipe batter makes enough for about 12 nice sized muffins. One more really nice touch to do before you put them into the oven, and that's to take about 1/4 cup of sweetened shredded coconut and toast it on the stove. It's as simple as just putting it in a hot frying pan and stirring it around until it browns. There, now you can go ahead and sprinkle the toasted coconut on top of each of the muffins. Place these delicious little gems in the oven on the middle rack at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now make sure you keep a close eye on them, and once the toothpick in the middle comes out clean, you know they're cooked. So I bake them for between 25 minutes to maybe 35 minutes. I don't think it'll take too much more than that, but keep an eye on them, because you don't want to overbake them and dry them out. These are nice and moist, and you can see here how they look. And yeah, they look pretty appetizing, right? They are so tasty. You'll love them. is the part where I say thank you so much for watching the video today and for liking and subscribing. And until next time, happy eating. Now you might want to go make some.